For a final session of the day, we have a special screening of the documentary film Anvesha, made by documentary film director Sangamitra Sarkar, which explores the performance traditions of Calcutta. And also please welcome her on stage to say a few words of introduction. Thank you.
Good evening, my dear friends. I'm thankful to all of you. You spend your valuable time to present here and to watch the documentary, which was made some years back. It was first screened in the 1998 in Delhi. It was made 75, 70, 95, 96, 97. I'm really thankful to the organizer who offered me this privilege to present here and to screen this film. Now I'm going to say some things about the making of the film. I'm really happy to listen this today. Many people are really very much interested to speak this issue. And I'm really thankful to Manjuri, who take the real initiative to change the narratives on Tawaif. My first exposure to this world is completely different. When I was just passed my master's and entered in one college as a part-time lecturer, then I met one girl as my student. I found that she was a little bit different from the others. Just when the Manjuri was talking about one girl who came to her saying that you are not, your mother is not Tawaif, so you are speaking about the Tawaif. My own experience was like that. I found that girl was a little different. She was intelligent, but somehow she was not comfortable to mix up with other girls. That time I was not a person with a gray hair. I was also quite young. And I was more comfortable with the students than my colleagues. So one day, my senior colleague asked me that, do you know that girl, who is she? I said, no, I do not know, but I found she was a little bit different. Though she was very intelligent, somehow, somewhere is something that why she did not like to mix up with other students. My senior colleague told me her mother was Baiji. In Bengal, we call Baiji. I said, okay. I was quite confused what my colleague is saying, because my idea about Baiji during that time was only about Pakija or Umrao Jan. So one day I told her, can you take me to your residence? She told me, really, do you want to go to my residence? I said, yes, I want to meet your mother. She told me, okay, I will take you one day. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Finally, after 7 months, I could reach her residence, and I met her. I found that she is quote unquote Baiji. And I have seen her journey, how she was struggling to establish herself as a student, as a wife, and as a mother, just because she is the daughter of Tawaif. So my documentary's basic idea I got from this journey. And when I am now watching my documentary, I found many loopholes. If I made this thing today or yesterday or some years back, maybe I was in position to correct those things. Most of the things are based on the documentation, published documentations. The sources are the papers, newspapers, corporation documentation. Still, some mistakes are there, just like one photograph that was selected as the photograph of Gaharjan as a film star. Actually, that photograph was of Gaharjan, not our quote-unquote Gaharjan. It was a different one who acted in one film, and that was preserved by our Doordarshan as a photograph of Gaharjan. But now I know it was not the Gaharjan whom we know. So this one mistake is there, because we have to keep in mind it was made in the 97, 98, like this. It was screened in the 98. So my film, my documentary is, I hope, self-explanatory. And I'm again thankful to all of you to give your time to this documentary and to this issue. Thank you very much.